Okay, so this is the Cubiscan line. Here we have the ZPA roller conveyor, and it has some photo eyes in the side. And this is the control cabinet, and it includes the on-off switch for the computer, and then the start button for the system to run, as well as the monitor and keyboard for the software to run. So in order to run the system, you need the software running. You do that by clicking the green icon once. That will shut down the software if it is running, and it'll start the software back up. Once the software starts, it should show the connectivity to the devices. We are not using an SQL server, so you'll always see an error at the top there, but you should connect the generic scanner, the CS200SQ, and the PLC. The generic scanner is the scanner up top. The CS200SQ is our Cubiscan 200SQ, which captures the dimensions and the weight for the objects. The PLC is the device that controls the conveyor and the other devices, and it will also interface with the software and blink an amber light if there's missing information. Here we have the Cubiscan line, which includes ZPA roller conveyor that inducts onto the scale and dimensioner, and then captures the barcode with the scanner up top. We have the control cabinet and a DC power supply. We have the monitor for the computer. It has the software. You start the software by clicking the green icon once. It will shut down the software if it's already running and restart it. The software takes just a minute to try and connect to an SQL server, which we are not using. So it will have an error at the top of the software every time, but then you should show 4 green information messages. The generic scanner is connected, the Cubiscan 200SQ is connected, and the PLC is connected. That means that you'll receive data from the dimensioner and scale, as well as the barcode scanner up top. If you don't receive all of the information, then it will send an error message to the PLC, which will make the stack light go from red to amber, and it will also sound an audible alarm. We can check the status of the scale and dimensioner. It should show 0, and when it starts it will show ready. Once you have the software running, then you push the red stop button, which makes the stack light turn off. And then you push the green start button, which makes the stack light flash. And it will make the scale start running. And it shows ready. And it will also make the roller conveyor after the scale run as well. If you send a box, you should see data come into the software. When you send a box, make sure that it is not touching this right-hand rail. If it does, it will catch on the rail after the scale. You have to block that first sensor in order for it to start running. It will induct onto the scale, and you'll see dimensions and weight come in, as well as the barcode. If the barcode does not read, it will say TRK underscore no read, and it will send an error code to the PLC, which makes an audible alarm go off and turns the stack light amber for 1.5 seconds. If you're consistently receiving errors like that, check the barcode quality and presentation. In this case, the barcode was not on top, so we would make sure that we present the barcode on top the next time it goes through. In the case where something goes through the gate that is unexpected, it will make the scale stop and it will say gate detecting. If that happens, make sure you remove any boxes from the scale. Click yes, I understand. Come over to the control panel, press the stop button, then the start button, and it will start the system up again. If that happens multiple times in a row, you may want to check the gate cover. This is pulled out by grabbing this tab here, slightly lifting and pulling. You can see that there's some debris on the window, so you want to get a duster and dust that off. You can dust the gate with a duster. Just make sure there's no debris, and you slide the gate back in. Make sure that it pushes and locks into place, and it won't be able to pull out without lifting it. If the scale doesn't start, it may be an e-stop is pushed. In that case, you will need to reset the e-stop. Click yes, I understand, and you should be able to restart the system. This is the flex conveyor. There's a start and a stop button to start this running. If you push start, it will cascade and start moving all the way upstream. It will carry the packages down into the truck. The flex conveyor will also send packages through the mobile scan station, which is triggered by this sensor here. So if anything gets in the way of this, it will change to amber, and it will also trigger the scanner up top. There's 2 hand scanners that allow you to enter information into the manual scan, and any information received in through the top scanner will be shown